Arnab, you don't have to give me any bhashan. That is why I'm saying.
I'm listening to your bhashan. Hear my question.
You first listen to me.
You hear my question.
I want to tell you a few things. You said that I said this is an internal matter of my party. I never said so.
All I said was that I'll roll the tape back. 1 minute. We'll get the tape. Can I get that clip part? Can I get that part clipped? I'll play it back.
Yes, you roll it back.
I'll roll it back and I'll play that clip. We're going to show you that clip in a minute.
I'll show it to you. Internal mechanism in the party.
Okay, so I'm telling you something. I will run that particular part where you say.
The party which will take care of him.
Okay, now wait a minute. I'll tell you one thing. Now, Gaurav, listen to me for a minute. Listen to me for a minute. I'm requesting you. Listen to me for a minute. I'm requesting. I'm pleading with you to please listen to me for a minute. We are going on and on. Okay, so continue. I'm timing you now. Continue. Your time starts now. Continue. I give you 30 seconds. You continue, please. After that, I'll interrupt you.
Yes. Yeah. I want to challenge you, Arnab. You've been speaking about law and order in UP. I have a one-to-one debate with me and I'll be able to show you that the crime numbers in UP over the last 2 years have come down. And there are states that are far worse than the state of UP.
I just want
in fact, the Chief Minister himself
Mr. Bhatia, which world are you in?
They've been instructing to go on the
Mr. Bhatia, now you know your time is up. I gave you 30 seconds, you took 40. Now please listen to me, Mr. Bhatia. Mr. Bhatia, please listen to me. Otherwise it's getting very up. You know, you're not. What is this? No, Mr. Bhatia, please now, please listen to me. I've been saying this repeatedly. Thank you very much. And now I will request you, when I speak and when the others speak, you please listen, okay? Just listen and give short answers. Short answers. In your view, just answer. And don't give me what you said. In your view, did Naresh Agarwal compare women to animals? Yes or no?
I'm saying it is not the right thing to do.
Yes or no? Did he or did he not? Not right or wrong.
Very clear.
Did you tell me yes or no? Did he or did he not?
I have answered your question.
No, you've not. You just dodged it. Did he compare gang rape victim to animals? The statement that you have shown. Did he compare gang rape victims to animals?
The statement that you showed, that is not the party line.
No, did he?
And I'm condemning it.
You are such a smart man. In that statement, did he compare gang rape victims to animals?
I have answered your question. I have answered your question.
I am saying, did he compare gang rape victims to animals?
Yes.
Yes or no? Simple. Yes.
From what you have shown, I don't know the other part of it.
Yes.
It seems he has. Yes. And it is to be condemned. I add that.
No.
And I'm adding weightage to it.
No.
Please notice it.
One second. Therefore.
Please notice it.
Therefore, it seems you acknowledge, it seems a senior leader of the Samajwadi Party has made a comparison between women and gang rape victims and animals. Now, it is my view. Now, you here listen to me and I have not. Now, you have to listen to me because I heard you. It is my view.
I'm listening.
It is my view.
You give me time to.
And I can tell you it is the view of every single viewer tonight. And we have callers. That not only should you throw this man out from your party, you should file a criminal case against him. A case so serious that he is put behind bars. And Mr. Naresh Agarwal, there is a view, we hold a view here that today after having said what you have, you should just be in lockup, Mr. Agarwal. Let's get the others back into it. I'm not saying it's your party view. I'm not saying it's your party view. Kancha Elaya wants to say something here. Kancha Elaya say something here.
I wish to respond.
No, I'm not saying it's your party view. I am not saying it's your party view. But I'm saying if you don't throw this man into jail tomorrow, then many others will be emboldened. We can't risk that. We can't. No, it's not a party thing anymore. Is it a party thing? You know. I think BJP, Congress, all should pick up this issue.
The party will take cognizance of it.
No. It's not a party matter anymore. Kancha Elaya, party matter. Is it a party matter anymore? Kancha Elaya, is it a party matter anymore?
Gaurav, it is a question of national issue and it is a question of entire UP, and also in the interest of Samajwadi Party, something serious has to be done. You know, one of the problems with Samajwadi Party now, there is this, view about women. The Samajwadi Party opposed women's reservation in parliament. Now, UP has gone entirely towards BJP. Tomorrow, they have the entire majority there. They will pass that law. And this whole women atrocity is going on. Tomorrow, BJP will use this. that will come to power. Now you have to rectify this. You
Kancha ji.
tell Mulayam Singh, you tell
Yes, we
Akhilesh,
have to
you tell
rectify
Ram
a few
Gopal,
things.
Throw him
your
out,
own
throw him in
friends
jail.
are-
Kancha ji, I
your
said
own friends
the
are
Chief
telling
Minister
this.
himself is
Arnav.
rectifying these problems. Mr. Akhilesh Yadav himself is rectifying
Our
these
first caller
problems.
tonight.
He just held a meeting
to power.
and he has ordered the
Our
senior
first
officials
caller tonight
to
on this
take immediate
program.
action.
On
And
this-
Kancha ji,
on-
UP is the only state where there is a women's power line,
You want to throw
which is
statistics?
dealing with such
You want to-
problems.
you want to-
And regarding the
What is
a
it?
leader
Shobha
taking
Oza
such
is-
a statement,
No, one
I just
second.
want to
No,
say
no.
that
By the
I
way,
said
by
that
the way,
internal
by the
mechanism
way,
of the
Akhilesh
Samajwadi
has
Party
even
has
taken the courage.
and appropriate action
One second,
will be
everyone's talking at the same time. First caller tonight from Bengaluru is Vishwanath. Vishwanath, good evening. I'm coming to Shobha Oza. Let's take a few callers in. Trust me, the phone lines are going to crash behind me if I don't let some of them in. And today, Gaurav Bhatia can accuse us of everything, not this time of not allowing him to speak. Now, listen to the callers, Gaurav. First caller, Vishwanath. Good evening, Vishwanath. Can you hear me?
Good evening. I feel that it is high time that these hapless and helpless leaders should be forced to resign who feel content with comparison
All right.
and compulsion.
Okay, forced to resign. That's first caller, Vishwanath. Good evening. Thanks for watching the program, Vishwanath. We're going to connect our second caller in a bit. Before that, Shobha Oza. Shobha Oza wanted to come back into the debate. I'm seeing Gaurav Bhatia made a very important comment some time back. He said from the clip that we played, it did appear that he had compared women and gang rape victims to animals, which is inexcusable. He says, however, this is not my party position and this is not the view of my chief minister. I condemn it, but we should
And
let
I
the
also
internal
said
party
that we
mechanism
condemn it.
deal with it.
Yes.
Hello,
Yes.
Arnab, it is so unfortunate in our country that when any person tweeted against us, any leader, he is put behind bars or he is beaten blue and black. But when so many elected representatives and people, politicians from most of the parties speak so arrogantly, so shamefully against women, nothing happens. Let there be a law that puts these criminals behind bars so that they do not make such shameful comments and they do not
And
expose their beastly mindsets.
Well, that's why I'm saying repeatedly, it's not an internal issue anymore. I'm coming to you, Ranjana ji. I see a hand go up there. Sambit, I'm going to come to you, and so will I to Aarti. Next caller caller from Ahmedabad. This is becoming a national issue, and though the Samajwadi Party may not have political stakes across the entire country, it needs to be sensitive to the voice of the country today. This is not an inner party issue. That is our view. That is my view. From Ahmedabad, our next caller.
We are being sensitive.
Krishna Kumar.
When it is not the party line.
I know it's not the party line, but the man is in your party. You throw him
I'm
out.
telling you that the party.
Throw him out, put a criminal case against him, put him behind bars, and then.
Action.
Well, I don't know what action.
You
What
don't
action do you
want to
take against
hear.
him in the previous comments
You
which
don't
he
want
made?
to
No
hear
action.
enough.
I am not sure what action you're going to take. You throw him out of the party
How
and
do
then
you
declare
know
it in a
no
press
action
conference
was
that we
taken
took
and he
action.
wasn't reprimanded?
What do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, next caller, Krishna Kumar. Krishna Kumar, good evening. Hi.
You know,
Good evening.
Good evening, Krishna Kumar from Ahmedabad. Good evening, sir.
I want to
You-
say
you
to
have
Gaurav Bhatia,
narrowed down
shame on
the-
Gaurav Bhatia, Krishna Kumar.
I want to say to Gaurav Bhatia, shame on you, shame on Mulayam Singh Yadav, shame on Akhilesh Yadav. This
Yes.
breed of politicians should be banned from UP, not only in the election point of view, but they should be sent back to jail. I mean, they don't have any right to stay in this political situation of this country.
Gaurav, respond to
They
Krishna
should be
Kumar.
banned from this. They
Gaurav,
should be
respond to
banned.
Krishna Kumar. Respond. Krishna Kumar, stay on the line. Gaurav will respond to you.
Kumar, thank you
No,
on behalf of women.
This is an
Krishna
empowered
Kumar
viewer
ji,
speaking to you tonight.
The way you are concerned, even I am concerned, and the party is also concerned. I have already said that this
What
is not
does
a
your
statement of the
concern
party,
mean?
and the party would take appropriate
Arnav.
action. And they've
Appropriate
taken cognizance
action?
of
What
it.
appropriate
To be-
action?
to be
Appropriate
fair,
time? You're sounding
at
like the
least you
UPA
will
government
appreciate
before they
that when I
sacked
was
D.
coming
Raja.
on the debate,
D. Raja.
this line was never shared with me. So had they shared this line, I would have taken instruction on this. But I don't know what the reason is that they just don't want to share the topic of discussion also with the panelists.
What
I
topic
think
of
that is highly
discussion?
unfair.
Akhilesh says Uttar Pradesh is fine. You want me to talk
But
statistics?
how long does it take
How-
to take a decision on what action to take
Arnav,
against Naresh Agarwal?
why don't you
He's a
notice what the
serial
Chief Minister
offender,
did in the
Gaurav
recent
Bhatia.
past?
This is not
Why
the
don't you
first
also
time.
compliment him for having a meeting of
Okay,
senior
so I
officials?
want to.
Why don't you discuss
I don't
the data
compliment
to see
politicians.
whether the crime has gone down in UP or
Action
Uttar
against
Pradesh?
them.
make-
No,
Why
one
don't you
second.
take that exercise?
Arnab,
Why do you
Arnab,
need to
why
wait
don't you
till
also
the
have
election?
comparative data from other states
One
to
second.
see
Stop parrot-like
whether law and order
language. Can I say
situation
something?
is
One second.
as
I want to
good
say
or
something
worse
to
in
Gaurav.
UP?
Gaurav.
Why don't you have a
Gaurav,
meaningful debate?
Gaurav, 1 second. Gaurav, you know the most, the most
I ask you something.
the most unacceptable thing.
Don't
1 minute.
rant, Gaurav. Doesn't make sense to people in the country, Gaurav.
Arnab,
There is a law of the
Ranjana
land.
ji, stop
Naresh
interrupting
Agarwal has
like this,
violated that
because I
law.
don't think
He
we
has-
will have a proper debate
No,
if
Gaurav,
you
you've
keep on
not let
interrupting.
anybody speak. You have not let anybody speak. You are just ranting. You are
If
talking like a parrot.
there
You
are
just
5
have
panelists.
No sense what you are saying.
There
You're not
are
saying
5
anything.
panelists.
You-
I
Arnab,
need
can
to
I come in
respond
over
to each
here?
comment
But
made by
you're
the
one fine
panelists.
one. You're one
And
fine.
if you interrupt in
You're not allowing
between,
them
how
to
will I
ask
reply?
questions also. You are keeping
I
on
just want to
speaking.
ask Arnab.
You're
Arnab,
allowing us to ask questions.
Arnab.
Gaurav, I want to ask you a question. Can I ask you a question?
Go ahead, Sambit.
Arnab,
Go ahead, Sambit.
why not? Please do.
Gaurav, you are a young man. Please take a question from us. My question to you is, can you take an action against Naresh Agarwal when the whole lot of your leadership, from the top to the bottom, has been passing such kind of statement? When Mulayam Singh Yadav says that ladke to ladke hain, and when Abu Azmi says that boys and girls, when they stay together, it is the girl
Sambit.
who is in wrong.
Sambit.
So I believe when the whole party
Now
is
here
full of
we are.
such people,
Sambit, you
what
need to
action
answer
can you
too.
take against a single
Sambit, you
person?
need to answer
And secondly,
too.
Gaurav, the most important question that
Sambit,
I want to
Sambit.
ask you is, why do you have murderers in your party? They are butchering the BJP karyakartas in your state. When will that stop?
Sambit,
These
you
two
need
are
to
very
answer
important
to Mr.
things.
Gaurav.
You have to understand it.
Do you know who is butchering the BJP
Congress
karyakartas?
need not preach
The
us,
BJP
please.
leaders
They are
are
your
butchering
cousin
the
brothers for
BJP
10 long years. You
You are
have
not
been with
aware
them
of
together
something.
for 10 long years.
Your
So I
own
request my
Yuva
Congress friends
Morcha
not to
leader
preach me.
butchered the BJP leader. You are not aware of that.
Didn't your party
And I
people
wish to
say
ask you,
Lakshman Rekha
Sambit,
hai?
Shobha
please,
ji, please
before
don't preach the
asking me
Bharatiya
this
Janata
question,
Party.
why should you not
are the
answer
one
that
who
what
are
action has
providing
the
the
BJP
rescue to
taken
Congress
against
to the
Mr. Gaur?
Samajwadi
Have
Party
you taken
for all
any
these years.
action?
Shobha Ozaz, Gaurav Bhatia and Sambit Patra. 1 second, please. Our next caller this evening. Our next caller this evening, and I'm going to have to intervene here because Akhilesh says, and please hear me, Gaurav, you know you must, and you are one fine one for saying don't interrupt. 1 second, please hear me. Akhilesh says law and order in UP is fine. I have 15 questions. I have not got many questions, just 15 questions for him, and I'll put 1, 2, 3. Is it fine for Akhilesh that UP?
have a one-to-one
Is it fine for
debate.
Akhilesh that
I
UP has the
challenge
highest?
you.
Gaurav, listen, please.
I challenge
Listen,
you.
I challenge
Have a
you.
one-to-one debate
You
on
please
law and
listen to
order
me,
with
Mr. Bhatia. Don't get
I
into
challenge
this.
you.
Mr.
Have a one to tomorrow. Have a
Gaurav,
one-to-one
everything has
debate
come
with me
crumbling.
tomorrow on law and order.
No, can I tell you one
Can
thing?
you do that?
I'll tell you one thing. I'm asking you one thing.
Arnab,
No, you listen to me.
I challenge
Listen to me,
you.
Mr.
Tomorrow
Bhatia.
have this
Mr. Bhatia,
debate
I
on
don't
law
take
and
these,
order in UP.
don't get into this.
One-to-one tomorrow.
Don't get
Are
into
you
this.
ready for that?
Don't. You
Truth
see,
will come out, okay?
I
If you have this
am.
one-to-one debate.
Miss, 1 second, please.
No,
I
do
am
not
telling
wish
you
to
one
have
thing,
this
Mr.
debate,
Bhatia.
which has
Mr.
no
Bhatia,
meaning. They're
understand today
interrupting
that
each
you are
other.
on the back foot because of what Agarwal has said. But I just want to tell you, and don't listen. Please
I'm not-
listen.
please
You are
don't
a
tell me
young
that.
man. Why are you getting so touchy?
We
At
are
least
not
people like
being
you
critical.
should be a little more
Okay?
open, please.
I'm just trying to reply to your point.
If you are, you are not even listening. Do you realize that you've gone into that zone where you're not listening? Is it fine for Akhilesh that UP records the highest number of murder incidents? Is it fine for Akhilesh
just
that
doing
UP
what you
records
do
the highest
to me.
number of
You don't
cognizable
even
crimes in
listen to
India
what I say.
and contributes 44.5% to the country's total numbers?
Which
Is it
state
fine
has
for
the highest
Akhilesh
population in India?
that UP
Arnab,
records the highest
you
number
answer
of
now.
incidents of
Which
abduction and
state has the
kidnapping?
highest
Is
population
it
in
fine
India?
for Akhilesh? Please
Which
listen that
state has
that
the
UP
highest
records the
population
highest
in
number of
India?
dowry deaths.
How
Is it
can you
fine for
compare
Akhilesh
such
that UP
numbers?
stands third in the
How
country
can
in
you
the
compare
contribution
these
to the
numbers
total
like
number
this?
of crimes against women? Is it fine for
Come on,
Akhilesh that
Arnab,
on an
this is-
average
this is like reading
10
from a
rapes
page
are
without
reported
paying
every day in
attention to
Uttar
what I'm
Pradesh?
saying.
Is it fine? It's not fine.
Madhya
Our
Pradesh
next
has
caller,
twice
it's
the
not
number of
fine.
rapes.
Is it fine
It is not
that UP
fine.
saw
But talk about Madhya Pradesh,
33,824
talk about
violent
Gujarat.
crimes,
Why don't
which
you
is the
talk about
highest
those
in the
states?
state's record in the last decade? Is it fine that UP registers the highest number of crimes against children? Is it fine? I'm saying it's not fine.
Which
And our
state
next
has
caller
the
today.
highest population in the state.
Our next caller, don't hide
Population
behind
is
your
an indicator.
population.
If the
Accept your
population is more,
statistics.
Can you compare
Our
the
next
number
number.
of incidents of UP to Manipur? Can you compare it to Assam?
Our next
How can
number
you do
from
that,
our
Arnab?
next caller from
Let us-
Mumbai is
let
S.T.
us have a
Sharma.
debate.
SP
Let us
Sharma.
have a one-to-one
SP
debate.
Sharma.
Why don't you
Arnab,
express some
Arnab, I want
sympathy?
half a
Say
minute,
you're
half a
sorry.
minute. Law and order.
Say you'll take care of, you'll do something
I want
about
half
the
a minute to
situation.
say
How
something.
come not even one word of regret
Yes.
comes out from you? Why are you always justifying and
Neither
being
is
defensive
neither
and
is
pointing
Gaurav
fingers at
listening,
other
nor
states?
is
Nobody is
Akhilesh
At least
justifying.
have some
RTG.
expression of regret.
Is it
Some
fine?
expression
Arnab,
of
the
regret.
problem is
Some
that no one
expression.
is
That's
listening.
what
I
I
agree
mean.
for half a
Condemning
minute.
is
You're
what?
not listening.
What is
From Gaurav
condemnation?
Bhatia.
Listening.
You know, and where does this start? Where does this start? Gaurav, you know, please understand this on the 4th of June, and you just need to listen for a minute. On the 4th of June,
I need half a minute.
says defense crimes against women, saying Google shows cases of rape. You can go on Google and you can find out. I mean, it was silly, supercilious, immature comment like that. Now, I have to get a caller from Mumbai SP.
Arnab, what is immature about it? Tell me.
It's immature
There-
because it's
all
a
that
you are
trying to say
building a
was
case to
that
defend
if-
crimes against women. You are saying
Listen
that
to me now.
you are
Listen to
saying
me.
that if you go
Listen
online,
to
you
me.
need to accept there is a
Each and every
problem.
case of crime.
You are not willing to accept there is a problem.
Can
you
I
are not
speak now?
willing to accept, and yet there are leaders in your party who compare
I think the
victims
Chief
of gang
Minister-
rape to animals, and you say it's an internal matter. It's not internal because you don't own Uttar Pradesh.
I never said that.
You don't
put
own.
words in my mouth again.
You know.
Nobody said that it's an internal matter.
You said it's your
You
internal
are
party
not-
mechanism
you
will deal
are
with it. Why are you
not
getting angry?
actually-
You said your internal
And I
party
said
mechanism will deal with it.
mechanism of the party will deal with it.
What? It's not an internal party
There is
matter
a
anymore. It's a
difference
national
between the
issue.
two.
We have a stake there. We are
is
being
not- it is
lampooned
not.
all over the country because of
It
how
is
you are
not
dealing with
an
your state.
internal matter.
Our next caller, please. Our next caller, SP
Arnab,
Sharma from
please
Mumbai.
understand.
SP Sharma from
Arnab,
Mumbai.
good
Good evening,
evening.
Mr. Sharma. Arnab here. Mr. Sharma, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead, please.
Hello, good evening, Mr. Arun Goswami. It's very pleasure to meet you. You have been very bold, impartial. The journalism very much encouraged.
Thank you.
I'm really ashamed of Naresh Agarwal's statement. It solely indicates they are not bad. They don't have better instinct. They have instinct like animals only. The mentality is like animals.
Mr. Sharma, I am getting disturbance in your phone line. Neeraj is the next caller. We try to connect you back. Neeraj is the next caller. And he's calling from Lucknow. Neeraj, you're from Lucknow. Good evening.
Yeah, Neeraj from Lucknow.
Go ahead, Neeraj. What would you like to say, please? Reduce your volume, please, of your television set. Otherwise, we won't be able to hear you.
Yeah, Arnav, just to tell you that such a comment on a rape victim reflects a sick mind.
Yeah.
Arnav, I am telling you, such a comment on a rape victim reflects a fixed mindset where let the society evolve. When we have a cyber law on a Facebook, putting a Facebook is put into behind a bars. Let the society evolve on a psychological background. When a person thinks of like this, he should be thrown out and he will be put behind the bars. And I am very much outraged with this such kind of comment of Naresh Agarwal.
Yes, please.
Arnav,
Yes, please. Neeraj, thanks very much. I'm besieged with calls tonight, and I'm going to take another one. Because I did promise at the start of the news hour, Shobha, I see your hand go up there. I did promise at the start of the news hour that this is a comment so bad. But it is also a comment being made in a particular context. And Gaurav, please understand this, that what one is saying is that there is a problem. Recognize the problem. Don't justify the problem. All one wants to hear Akhilesh say there is a problem and wants to say that I will not accept this and I don't care what the political association with Naresh Agarwal is. I will not have anything politically to do with him. I will throw him out from my party. I will file a criminal case against him because prima facie he has compared gang rape victims to animals, and nobody, leave alone a politician from a ruling party of a state, can be allowed to get away with it.
Our next have some knowledge of law.
I know, this is morality. What are you talking about law?
Can I say something?
From Hyderabad.
Arnab, I want to
Dia
say
from
Gaurav
Hyderabad.
Bhatia
Dia, good evening.
has
Dia.
I've already said that the party
Good evening.
will do the
Give me
needful.
half.
Dia wants to say something.
Congratulations to Times Now.
Dia is saying something from Hyderabad. Dia, good evening. Hi.
Yes, good evening. Hi, I'm a huge fan of Times Now, and especially Arnab Goswami. That is because it takes a lot of courage and honesty to ask all those important questions to all those powerful people. to begin with. And I don't understand, what kind of comment this person, whoever is just representing the party in government in UP, what kind of comparison is he making that, we have less crimes in comparison to others. That means if you have a thief in your house, suppose one of your children becomes a thief, you say you have one thief in comparison to other thieves in the country. There are more thieves in the country. What kind of... I don't understand the comparison. Not only that,
Diya, can I get Gaurav to answer you directly, please? One second. And once again, Gaurav, take it brief, and Diya, stay on the line, because I'll come back to you for your second question. 1 second. I actually want this to happen. I want more and more people in this country to directly ask the politicians. That's the live way. We on Newshour are the first channel to completely open up the phone line. You want to criticize us for our coverage, please do. But I want this to be a forum where some of our citizens can speak directly to some political leaders. So I think Diya makes a very important point. She's a homemaker from Hyderabad. Diya, Gaurav's answering you. Gaurav, you heard her. Go ahead, directly.
Yeah.
Yes.
I just want to say this, that the endeavor of the state government is to make UP a crime-free state. However, to judge whether the performance of the government has been better or not,
No, that's not a question.
Comparative
Diya, is that your question?
Years. If the numbers
Diya,
come down,
that's not Diya's
then
question
I
at
think
all.
the crime, law and order situation.
No, but that's not Diya's question at all. Diya's question is how do you... No, that's not... Diya, was that a question? You want to make your point again to her? What was your question, Diya? No, let her make her point again. Diya is putting a question across again to
tell you
you.
what happened. 1 minute.
She was talking
Today,
about-
my son did not speak to me very well.
Yeah.
He is going to college. I threw him out of the house. I said, you stay out and you come back when you know how to behave yourself. If I don't put that action, I put my family to shame. If you don't take an action against those criminals in the, who kind of, I don't know what they do to women. We are in some barbaric age. How can you expect, we are all born out of a lady, right? All of us, even you.
No,
be it
but
a man or a
how do you
woman,
get
we
this?
are all born out
How
of a
do you
lady.
get this that the
means
UP
we are
government is not taking
taking
action?
lady.
No, she's saying what action have you
In each
taken
and
against
every
Naresh
case.
Agarwal? He's in your party, right? It's not internal mechanism. You can't just say don't do it again. Why can't you sack him? Is that
All
not important
cases of
enough?
crime, prompt action is being taken by the state government, and that is what I...
Acknowledge the problem. You acknowledge the problem. Your problem
in the
will begin-
Badaयूं rape case, in the Muradabad rape case, FIRs were registered.
No, but why did he say? Why did he make a comparison with animals? Why did he compare gang rape victims to animals? Your chief minister says boys will be boys. Another leader compares gang rape victims to animals. Kancha Ilaiah wants to say something to you. Kancha Ilaiah, Ranjana Kumari, Kancha Ilaiah first. Kancha Ilaiah, please. Kancha Ilaiah.
Gaurav, the point is, every day UP is in news. And one rape or one killing or the other, and ultimately it
That
is
is
the
the
government
question
that
even
becomes
we want to
responsible.
ask. Why are
Now,
the why is a
my view
particular
is that
channel
if
not covering other
Akhilesh
states?
is not
There
in a
is
position
crime in
to
other states. That is
really
ridiculous.
handle
They are
this,
taking action,
he should
Kancha ji.
really make a
They are
serious
not even
effort.
taking action.
I understand. We were very critical of Mayawati when there was law and order problem. We were supporting her, we were critical too. But today, see sequence of events and the leaders speaking irresponsible language. Therefore, the whole
Kancha
nation
ji,
is
in
getting
each and every incident,
agitated about
the
this.
Chief Minister
You have a
himself
party
ensured
conference
that
to
action
review
is
your
taken
administration
and arrests were
and
made.
tell the leadership
That is what I
the
wish
good
to
thing
point
do.
out.
Should Naresh Agarwal be sacked? Should Naresh Agarwal be sacked? Should Naresh Agarwal have a criminal case against him? Should Naresh Agarwal be locked up in jail?
Yeah,
Should
I think
Naresh
he should
Agarwal be
go.
made an
He
example
should go
of?
simply
And will
should be
political
sacked.
parties have the courage to do that? Ranjana Kumari, briefly. Ranjana Kumari.
That
If
that-
they are judging the state
Yes,
of UP through
I
a
just want to
particular
say that
parameter,
he has
they should also
compared
talk about
women
other states and what
who has
action
been
has been
gang
taken.
raped by a... No, I just want to say, Arnav, that will his party, because he has violated the law of the land, we amended the sexual assault law, where it is very clearly stated that any voyeuristic comment will be considered as crime. Now, he has committed a crime by comparing a woman, by showing that her intent is to go and get raped. That's what he has said. And he has also said that, no woman. So will he be taken by his state government to the court? Will somebody file a case against him? Will he be thrown out of his
Okay,
party
we
or
are
not?
overshooting the time limit. We are overshooting the time limit, not a personal matter of the Samajwadi Party. We are following the story, and if the Samajwadi Party chooses not to do anything against Naresh Agarwal, we'll report that tomorrow. Thank you for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.